So now we're at a point where we can take advantage of our API proxy class and our behaviors that we've created. So in the LinkedIn API example, we have a LinkedIn API game object. This game object contains every single behavior that we've created to support the LinkedIn API. And it's organized by category, just like their documentation. Now, inside of our application, what we've done is we've created a bunch of example scripts to take advantage of this API. So looking at retrieving a profile and then retrieving our profile picture, let's take a look at that. So what we have here is a game object. We've dropped our get my profile picture script, which accepts a profile behavior and an image behavior. So we're going to take advantage of both of behaviors. So if you can see here, here's our profile behavior, here's our retrieving an image behavior. And when our profile is retrieved, it's going to show up here in the editor. So let's take a look at what this looks like when we run it. There's our image, and if we dig deeper into here, there is our profile, which is the C# class modeled after the JSON response. This object here created at runtime is used to support HTTP operations as well as their completion even when scenes are reloaded. What's attached here is the LinkedIn proxy and an API monitor that monitors our bytes, calls, and network time. Also, as each operation is executed, it is briefly added into this game object and upon completion removed. Okay, so let's take a look at this behavior, what it looks like at this moment. We can always go back to our behavior, and for debugging purposes, we can take a look at the behavior status, its response, and its raw data that was returned, its time to complete. We can look at the request that was issued, and here we can get a quick view of the request and the response that was built internally. Same thing for the retrieving an image behavior, contains the same information if you want to dig deeper. So now we've API enabled our Unity 3D Editor, and you can just drag and drop things, API requests all over the place with minimal code. There's anywhere from 2 to 10 lines of code that you'll need to write to make multiple requests. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to watch the previous videos to see how we've come to this point.